Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you one way we make corn flour or maize flour for teas in our African village. So this is the corn we're using to make our flour. I'll start by soaking the corn inside water. The water level should be above the corn. Once I pour the water, those ones that float on the water, they are not good, so I'll get rid of them. And then I will allow this to sit for 2 days. So this is how our corn looks after 2 days. I'll go ahead and take the corn out of this water, and then I'll rinse it again with clean water until the water runs clear. We are done rinsing the corn, so we'll transfer it into this sack and then we send it to the grinding mill. So we are at the grinding mill, and at this point they are grinding our corn. As we can see, my sister is transferring the flour back into the sack that we came with. At this point, our corn flour is not yet ready for us to use and prepare teas, so I will let you know the next thing we need to do after we grind the corn. We are done grinding the corn. Now I'll be heading back to the house. There is a place here where we can actually dry this corn, but I will not be drying it here. I'll be taking it back to the house. This is where they usually dry the corn. This is at the grinding mill, but I'll be sending this back to the house. So right now we have gotten back home. We just want to make sure that the place is clean before we go ahead and dry the corn. I will not be drying it directly on the floor. I'll be using this rubber, so I'll be drying it on this rubber. We'll pour the flour on it and then we spread it evenly so that it can easily dry. And finally, our flour is dry. This took some time actually. So the next thing for us to do is to send it back to the grinding mill for them to grind it again. Now we are at the grinding mill and I've already poured the flour into the plate. So we'll be grinding this only once, and this is going to be our final grinding. Okay. We are back home from the grinding mill and we have our flour in this sack, as you can see. So this is our flour. I'll be transferring it into the bowl and then we'll allow it to cool down completely. This step is very important because the flour needs to cool down before we transfer into an airtight container, and then we cover it. Then we can start using our flour. Yes, so this is how we make flour in the village, and it's very smooth. And trust me, if you use this to prepare TZ, it's going to be very nice. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.